To change the battery in your Scantronic 9448 alarm, you first need to remove the cover of your main alarm panel by unscrewing the single screw on the right of the panel. The alarm will then sound. To silence the alarm, enter your 4-digit user code. With the panel now open, locate the battery and remove the 2 terminals, red and black, making sure these don't touch, and removing and replacing the battery. Please note, there is live 240 volt power in the transformer, so please be careful and make sure you don't touch this. Also, please make sure you don't knock any of the other wires in the panel, as these may cause the alarm to stop working. Now, replace the lid, make sure you replace the screws firmly and reset the alarm by entering your 4-digit code.